The Toloco Massage Gun is a thoughtful gift for anyone seeking deep tissue relief and relaxation. Engineered to alleviate muscle fatigue and pain, there are many products available to choose massage gun, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best massage gun from reputable brands. After much research, Elle found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Oppove M3 Pro 2 Massage Gun. Experience unparalleled muscle relief with the Oppove M3 Pro 2 Massage Gun. Engineered for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, this deep tissue percussion massager delivers professional-grade performance with its 12mm amplitude and max 70-pound stall force. Its 5-speed range, reaching a maximum of 2,500 RPM, ensures customized therapy for fast recovery. Unlike other massage guns, the M3 Pro 2 prioritizes comfort, avoiding high-speed percussions that can cause discomfort. Redesigned with hidden vents, it dissipates heat efficiently while eliminating internal mechanical odors, enhancing durability and user experience. With over 500,000 units sold worldwide, its superior quality and affordability have garnered widespread acclaim. Enjoy up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, making it perfect for home use, travel, or as a thoughtful gift. Packaged in a sleek space gray design and accompanied by a convenient carrying case, the Oppove M3 Pro 2 Massage Gun is your ultimate solution for fast, effective muscle recovery. Number 2. Toloco Massage Gun. The Toloco Massage Gun is a thoughtful gift for anyone seeking deep tissue relief and relaxation. Engineered to alleviate muscle fatigue and pain, this percussion massager boasts a powerful 12mm penetration force and up to 3,200 RPM, promoting blood circulation and easing lactic acid buildup. With 10 interchangeable massage heads, it targets various muscle groups, ensuring a customizable experience. Despite its power, the gun operates quietly, emitting only 40 dB to 50 dB, making it ideal for home gym or office use. Its smart LED touch screen allows easy speed adjustment and battery monitoring. Powered by a long-lasting battery, it runs up to 6 hours on a single charge, perfect for on-the-go relief. Compact and lightweight, it comes with a travel case for convenient storage and portability. Whether it's Mother's Day, Father's Day, or any occasion, this ergonomic massage gun makes an ideal gift for loved ones seeking relaxation and pain relief. Number 3. Renpho Massage Gun. Deep Tissue Muscle. Experience unparalleled muscle relief with the Renpho Massage Gun Deep Tissue Muscle. Engineered for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, this percussion massager offers a potent solution for pain relief and muscle recovery. Crafted with a premium metal housing and a powerful brushless motor, it penetrates deeply to alleviate muscle tension and soreness. Travel-friendly and versatile, this massage gun is powered by a rechargeable battery and can be conveniently charged via USB-C, ensuring uninterrupted relief wherever you go. Weighing just 1.5 pounds and emitting a whisper-quiet sound as low as 45 dB, it's perfect for home, office, or gym use. Tailor your massage experience with 5-speed settings and 5 interchangeable massage heads, targeting various muscle groups for optimal relaxation and recovery. With long-lasting battery life and built-in safety features like auto-off after 10 minutes, the Renpho Massage Gun is your ultimate companion for achieving peak performance and well-being. Number 4. Handheld Percussion Massage Gun. Introducing the Hyperice Hypervolt 2 Black, the ultimate solution for muscle relief and recovery. This handheld percussion massage gun is a powerhouse, boasting quiet glide technology for a soothing experience. Weighing only 5 pounds and crafted from durable polycarbonate, it's lightweight and sturdy. With 3-speed settings, warm up quickly, stay loose, and accelerate recovery, whether at home or on the go. The Hypervolt 2 features an improved ergonomic design and comes with 5 interchangeable heads: fork, ball, cushion, flat, and bullet, catering to various muscle groups. Simply press and hold the power button, then select your desired speed setting to start using the device. Thanks to Quiet Glide technology, enjoy your favorite activities without disruptive noise. Integrated with HyperSmart, access warm-up and recovery plans through the Bluetooth-connected Hyperice app. From elite athletes to everyday individuals, our mission is to help everyone move better, live better, and be better. Experience the difference with Hypervolt 2 Black, your key to unlocking the best version of yourself. Number 5. Massage Gun Deep Tissue Muscle Percussion Massager Gun. Experience ultimate relaxation and relief with the Massage Gun Deep Tissue Muscle Percussion Massager Gun by Darkeron. This innovative electric massager is a versatile solution for all your muscle pain and fatigue needs. With 15 massage heads to choose from, targeting every muscle group becomes effortless. Whether it's your shoulders, back, neck, or body, this massage gun provides effective muscle relaxation, alleviating soreness and stiffness. Equipped with 10 adjustable speeds, ranging from light to deep massage, and a high-definition LED screen for easy operation, you can tailor your massage experience precisely to your preferences. Plus, the low noise level ensures a peaceful massage session anytime, anywhere. Powered by a long-lasting 2,500 mAh lithium battery, enjoy up to 6 hours of uninterrupted massage bliss. Whether you're a sedentary office worker or a fitness enthusiast, this massage gun is your go-to companion for rejuvenation. Treat yourself or your loved ones with the perfect gift for any occasion, from birthdays to Mother's Day/Father's Day. Say goodbye to muscle soreness and hello to relaxation with the Darkeron massage gun.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more